Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off dial pad sound on any Poco phone. Now if you open the dialer app and if you dial a number and if your dialer produces this sound and if you want to disable this sound, just go to your home screen. Now from here tap on settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now scroll down and make sure you disable dial pad tone. Now from here, go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now as you can see, this is how you can turn off dial pad sound on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.